Hoka hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and over here, yeah, looking just cute. Ah, come on. The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Weenie Mushane. Say hello to these people. BOOZHOO to these people. How you doing? So what's going on, sweetie? Oh, not much. Just hanging out. You know how it goes. Yeah, I suppose. So you ready for this big show today? Oh, am I ever? I could hardly sleep last night. I was so excited. Yeah, me too, huh? Wow. What a special day it is. Yeah, huh? What are you talking about? I don't know. It's Monday morning. I try to make a big to-do out of it so people think, oh, I'm so glad I came to this live stream. They must have something really special planned. This is going to be really, really entertaining and really, really educational. So we should do something entertaining and educational, huh? Well, we could teach the Ojibwe word of the day. That's a good way to start, huh? Yeah, why don't you teach them what the Ojibwe word for Monday is? Oh, okay. All right. So today, this is a live stream. So as we're filming this live, it is Monday morning in northern Minnesota. And, I mean, it's Monday everywhere, but... But in Anishinaabe-Moan, in the Ojibwe language, in Ojibwe-Moan, for Monday we say, Ishwa, Anama-e, Gijagad. This is the day after prayer day. Monday. The day after prayer day, sweetie. That's right. You tell them, sweetie. Don't let them push you around. What? I don't know. Ishwa anima gija good. Day after prayer day. And on this sacred day after prayer day, we like to bow our heads and read the comment section and say, oh, BOOZHOO, Jessica Booze. Jessica's here, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Jessica. And Brandy Marie is here. Hoa, Mino Giga J. Brandy Marie. Brandy Marie's here, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Brandy Marie. Yeah. So welcome back to the show. We call them the BOOZHOO crew, huh, sweetie? We sure do. And so today, on our very special edition of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO live stream, the Ishwa Anama Gija Good Day, or whatever. You know what I was thinking, sweetie? What's that? You know, Meghan Markle, she had a baby on Friday. That's what I hear. She had a lovely, well, I think it was a daughter, right? Mm-hmm. I'm not even sure what to call her. Is she a princess? I don't know. I can't remember how that goes. I feel like Prince Henry quit being a prince. But at the same time, I don't really understand any of that. You know what I realized this morning? What's that? I didn't know what Prince Henry's last name was. You know, I don't either. What is it? Prince Henry... What was Princess Diana's name? Princess Diana was Diana Prince. No, that was Wonder Woman. Oh, yeah. Wonder Woman's name is Diana Prince. Not to be confused with Princess Diana. Princess Diana is a roadkill. That's what they called her. that's her nickname now. Roadkill? That's awful. But anyway, so yeah. Princess whatever, Meghan Markle. Of course, Meghan kept her name. Well, yeah, she's a feminist. Yeah. Good on you, Meghan. Don't let that prince push you around. You got to fight the patriarchy. You know what's so funny about her? What's that? I mean, she's like a feminist, and she wants to fight the patriarchy. But the only real patriarchy that there is in the world, I mean, if you're an actual king, a royal family, if they refer to you as Your Highness, that's the patriarchy. Men being disproportionately bosses isn't a patriarchy. But an actual royal member would be a member of the patriarchy. But anyway, so Megan, she's a strong, independent woman. She doesn't want to take her husband's last name, because I'm guessing she didn't know either. Probably not. And I looked it up. The weird thing is, when you are part of the royal family, your last name gets weird. Because they kind of call you Prince of Sussex or Windsor or whatever. I think his name is something like Henry Windsor Sussex or Henry Windsor something. Blow it out your butt. But Megan, she named that baby Lilibet. Lilibet? That's kind of pretty. Yeah. I wonder why she called her Lilibet. Well, this is what I'm thinking. Let's give her a call, and we'll say congratulations on behalf of the BOOZHOO crew and all of her fans here, us included. We're big Meghan Markle fans. Yeah, we are. And so, would you mind getting her on the line for me? Sure. Is she in the States or in Canada where is she right now? I think she's in California. She's going to be an actress. Okay. Let me Google it. Meghan Markle. La la la. Okay, here it is. Hold on. We're going to give Meghan Markle a call and wish her congratulations on her baby. Because say what you will about the royal family, it's still a blessing when a baby's born. That's still usually a lovely thing. Okay, it's ringing. Hello, Megan. Hi, it's Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Yeah, that's right. Say, you want to be on the show this morning? Okay, I'm going to transfer you over to NanaBOOZHOO. All right. Okay, sweetie, she's on line 2. Thank you, honey. All right, line 2. Meghan Markle, you're on the air. Oh my God, NanaBOOZHOO! It's so good to hear from you. I can't believe it. Yeah, I just wanted to call and wish you a congratulations, I guess, on what? On your baby. On my what? No. I heard you had a baby on Friday. Oh yeah, that's right. I haven't seen it since the maids took her away. The maids took her away? Well, not the maid, but whatever that lady was who raises my kids. She's not a midwife. What's that called? Hey, Harry, what's that called? That lady who's raising our children.
Where is she, honey? Her name is Gladys, and she is the children's nanny. That's what it's called. It's a nanny.
Oh, our babies have nannies. She's with the nanny. Oh, okay. So anyway, I wanted to call and say congratulations on the birth of your baby. That's wonderful news. We're very happy for you and Harry. Oh, thank you so much. That's great. Yeah, I had a baby on Friday. Yeah, and what'd you name her? We're calling her Lily, and that's just short for Lilibet. Lily. Oh, that's sweet. So Lilibet, huh? Yeah. And why did you decide on the name Lilibet? Well, because after I gave birth, I was a little bit sore. Nah. Yeah, I bet you were a little bit sore. Sweetie, Megan's starting to pick up our sense of humor. Yeah, I noticed that. So, Lilibet, did you give her a middle name? Yeah, we named her Lilibet Diana after Harry's dead mom. Okay, you don't have to say dead mom. You can just say mother. Oh, yeah. Well, she's dead. Yeah, I know she's dead, but, how about a little respect? Yeah. She's the people's princess. That's like me. I'm the people's princess. Yeah, you sure are. The people's princess, I guess. So, now this is your second child, right? Yeah, we had another kid. I can't remember if it was a boy or a girl. Hey, honey, did we have a boy or a girl the first time?
Well, darling, I believe it was a boy. Although I'm not sure. Again, the nanny is doing most of the work.
Oh, okay. Well, I think it was a boy. Okay. And did you name your first son something? Yeah, I sure did. What'd you name your first son? I can't remember. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter, I guess. So, you got any pictures a little bit? I bet just a little bit that she's just cute, huh? Oh, sure, she sure is. Here, look. Let me pull it up for you. Okay. I just emailed it to you. Okay, let me pull it up here. Okay, here we go. Baby Lilibet. Let's see what baby Lilibet looks like. Jeez, that's your baby? Yeah, isn't she beautiful? Ugh. Yeah, she sure is. Little bundle of joy there. Lilibet, sweetie. Oh my God. Don't cry. It's going to be okay. You just scared my girlfriend. What? I'm going to take this down. No, that's my baby. That's baby Lilibet Diana. Or Diane, or whatever. Yeah, okay. Congratulations. She's lovely. And we're very happy for you. And are you okay? I think I'm going to throw up. No, here. Take this bucket. Oh, sorry. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. All right, Megan. I'm gonna let you go. You just made my my Natasha a little ill here. Oh, I hope she feels better. Yeah, I think she'll be okay in a sec. Congratulations. Tell Harry we say congratulations. Hey, Harry! NanaBOOZHOO says congratulations.
Tell that old chap that I appreciate it quite a bit.
Yeah, okay. All right, well, hey, NanaBOOZHOO, I guess I'll see you later. Yeah, Gigawa Min, Minowa, Megan. Yeah, Gigawa Min, Minowa. Oh, wow. You okay, sweetie? Yeah, it caught me off guard, and I didn't expect that. Yeah. Sometimes, and it happens more often than people like to admit, newborn babies aren't that cute. Sometimes they come out with their heads are a little misshapen or something, and you gotta say, oh, she's beautiful, congratulations. No matter what, even if it looks like Lilibet, I think it's important to always tell the mother, kids, not the elders, but children, when you meet a lady who has a baby, make sure you tell her, oh, she's very beautiful. She's happy. Congratulations. We're very happy for you. Your baby's beautiful. No matter what. Even if... Don't put up that picture again. Okay, just cover your eyes. Okay, go ahead. Even if it's a little bit. I'm sure it's, I mean, it's not like those two are, Lilibet actually that whole family is kind of nice because it breaks with tradition. I know, they didn't want to be part of the royal family. No, that's not what I mean. They broke with tradition as far as not having, a baby with one of their relatives. Get out of here. No, it's true. Like the royal family, they're always intermarrying and interbreeding. And so they usually have kids who are kind of, you don't get the best looking kids when you marry your cousin. Yeah, I don't suppose. So, yeah, congratulations, Megan and Harry. Yikes. Which brings us to our Ojibwe word of the day. Abinujians. Baby. Hey, Abinujians. Hello there. I'll be new jeans. Hey there, baby. Baby. And when, like Megan, when you give birth, you say, Ondad izike. Ondad izike. To give birth to an obenujiens, to a baby. Some people just say bibi. I've heard that too. That in Ojibwe, sometimes the word baby is called bibi. So, but the long form is abinujiens, a baby. And every baby is a blessing. Is a whatever. Abinujiens. And so, little baby, what's her name? Lilibet. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the flat plane called Earth. Welcome to this domed realm we live in. You've come to our realm at a very interesting time. It is a time when things are kind of upside down, inverted, you know. Boys are girls and girls are boys. Men are women and women are men. Sin is virtue. And, everything's backwards in this day. Or there's at least an effort. You know what? Actually, I'm going to take that back. What's that? I don't really think the world is all inverted. I think TV and YouTube and, the media is trying to portray modern times as being all crazy. They go, hey, look, here's some more news. Look at this. This person wants to legalize murder or whatever. This person wants to legalize rape. And you go, oh, what's the world coming to? How come half the world is so crazy? But I'm starting to think that, no, actually, it's not half the world. There's like 10% of the world is totally evil and insane. And the rest of us are just reading about these small minority of weirdos and thinking that it represents most people. It's it's Pride Month, and I keep bringing this up for some reason. But 100%, except for maybe Chick-fil-A and what's that other store that's always getting boycotted because they don't support abortion? Oh, we have one of those in the mall here. They sell everything. Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, me either. There's just one or two, chain stores that isn't draped in rainbow flag stuff. Most of the TV commercials now, they'll be like, hey, Levi jeans. In the old days, they'd have a cowboy, right, wearing jeans at the rodeo, and they'd say, Levi Strauss, made for a man, Now they'll show a commercial. I actually saw this, of a transgender guy and a lesbian going out to the ocean to be free. And, the whole commercial starts with, nobody understands us, whatever. And it's just pro-gay everything. This is the most gay accepting place in the world. At least as far as the corporations go. If you're General Motors or you name it, this month they're going to be covered in rainbow. They're going to, their commercials are going to be geared towards gay and transgendered people. And then they'll also have this spin of, oh, nobody accepts us. Next on Netflix, another TV series about gay people. Missy gave us the codes for that movie channel. Yeah, I know. And every other movie was something like Brokeback Mountain or Boys Don't Cry. I was like, no offense, I just don't feel like watching that kind of movie right now. I no longer care. I've been saturated. Hey, Idiot, thank you. Mountbatten Windsor. That's Henry's last name. Or Harry's last name. Mountbatten Windsor. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because I think I read that somewhere. So Lilibet should be Lilibet Mountbatten Windsor. It's a weird name. Yeah. But anyway, so corporations and YouTube and Twitter and Facebook, it's all very, very, very pro-gay, you know. And the one thing gay people can't do is have a nugience. I mean, you can adopt or whatever you want. But, you know. Well, I guess actually you can have a baby if you're gay. You just have to have artificial insemination or con a straight man into believing you aren't a lesbian. But anyway, so it's a joyous day at the royal family. One more utterly privileged person in that family to live without wants, to live without, you know. It's kind of like Chelsea Clinton. What do you mean? Well, Chelsea Clinton is a multimillionaire and has a beautiful, like multi-million-dollar apartment, at least one, in Manhattan and all that. She's wealthy beyond belief. And, you know, why? What has she done to earn any money? You know, Chelsea Clinton's like the Hunter Biden of the Clinton family. And, you know, if you're born into certain families, you're just going to be a millionaire, no matter what. You know, when you're on that level, you don't earn your money, you're just bestowed it. Even in America, we act like we don't have royalty, but, you know, we do if you're a politician. You know, like Ocasio-Cortez, you know, she's set for life. She's one of the most famous people in America right now. She gets a public servant job, and, you know, they write their own laws. So, you know, she pays herself, I think it's $180,000 a year to have that job, whatever she's doing. I don't even know what her job is. $180,000 a year. And then, you know, anytime she's in front of a microphone, they write a check for $50,000, you know. So America definitely has at least economic royalty. And our celebrities are royalty too. They're like gods. Yeah, no kidding. So the BOOZHOO cruise. Jessica's Mabu says she looked at her baby and she was only a little bit black. Much to the royal family's relief. Did you hear that? Yeah, a little bit, because she's just a little bit black. That's great. Jessica's coming out strong on a Monday morning. Brandy Marie, not even. That's the Indians' reaction to everything. Not even. Heather Jackson's here. BOOZHOO, Heather. Welcome back. Welcome back to the show. Heather's here, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Heather. Oh, no, that old crazy Brian Souls is here too. Hey, Brian. BOOZHOO, Brian. Welcome back to the show. And, of course, Idios. Kelvin, it's nice to see you too. So, yeah. Babies. Baby. Baby. I want you. Baby. Yeah. I want you. Are you quoting Paul Stanley? Yep. You can run, you can hide, but you never get away. You can lie and deny, but you know you're gonna pay. You never loved, never thought you could. Treat you right, girl, you know I would. You could fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. I want you. I want you. Good. I want you. Kiss. Because, Kiss isn't just about the music. The music, their lyrics are poetry. These are the lyrics to I Want You by Paul Stanley. You can run, you can hide, but you'll never get away. You can lie and deny. See how that rhymes? Yeah. But you're going to pay. It's really a threat. You can lie, you can run, you can hide, you never get away. You can lie and deny, but you're going to pay. You never loved. You never thought you could. Treat you right? Girl, you know I would. Yeah, you sure do. You can lie and deny, but you're going to pay. Never loved, never thought you could. Treat you right? Girl, you know I would. You can fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. He's starting to sound kind of rapey again. Yeah, I think so. You can fight. You can fight tonight. You can fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. I want you. I want you. Baby, I want you. Baby, I be new GNs. And then there's that great part where he just yodels. I want. Whoa, 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 whoa. I want. Oh, whoa, 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 yeah. I'm not exaggerating. I want. Any Kiss fan will know exactly what I'm singing. Like, oh, you mean from Alive 2? Yeah, he loves to yodel. Don't you, Paul? Well, I don't yodel. I just sing rock and roll. Yeah, you're right. That's rock and roll singing. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley, the action figure. Hey, everybody. Are you ready to rock and roll all night and party every day? You kidding? These guys are always ready to rock and roll all night and party every day. Well, then, let's put your hands together and let's hear it. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Paul Stanley. So, in the spirit of Paul Stanley, I would like to tell a story of a young girl who, well, this is the story. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a woman. She was out on the streets for a living. And the picture's only begun. Her day is sown in madness and got you under their thumb. Hit it! Bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada ba ba bum. Na 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 bum, bada bum, bada bum, bada ba ba bum. Black Diamond. Okay, I don't really have a song about Black Diamond. Black Diamond was a song by Kiss. Is a song by Kiss. Muckade Ganu. Black Diamond. I was actually surprised to find out there's an Ojibwe word for diamond. Really? Yeah, it kind of has to do with the diamond on the playing card. Oh, yeah? Because of casinos? Probably, I don't know. But, like, how did we have a word? Did we have diamonds? Oh, you know what? We probably did have diamonds in the old days. Wasn't there? No, it's gold I'm thinking of. Are there diamonds in the States? Or in North America? I don't know. It seems like they have to go to Africa or something to mine for diamonds. Yeah. But Muckade Ganu, Muckade means black. The color black. You know, a lot of the BOOZHOO crew, they drink that black medicine water. They love the Muckade Mushkiki Wabu. I love the black medicine water too. I'm having some right now. Is that pretty good? Yeah, it's getting kind of cold. Okay. Black Diamond. Now, a black diamond is interesting because I think they're actually talking about a streetwalker. I think it's a lady of the night. A prostitute! Yeah. And so actually in Ojibwe, we'd probably call her a Mukade Wias Gnu. A black, like African-American diamond. Because even though she's she got this hard life, she walks the streets at night, and see, how's that go? Darkness may fall upon you. Darkness may fall upon you. It keeps a fire you too. It keeps on following you too, or something. And no, you don't ask for pity. There's nothing you can do. It's a sad story about a girl who's living on the streets and trying to make a living, and she's a black diamond. It's dark. But she's very valuable and beautiful, and she shines. Or maybe she doesn't shine. Maybe she's meant to shine, but she's black. I don't know. It's poetry that it's always got double meanings and all this stuff, imagery. But that's what Kiss does. Ojindam. They're the 1500s had Shakespeare, the 1600s had somebody, 1700s had somebody, 1800s I think had you'd think I could name a poet from the 1800s. It's what I majored in college. Who's that Irish guy? W.B. Yeats. Yeah, William Butler Yeats. That might have been in the 1900s. I don't know. So first there was Shakespeare, and then a bunch of poets no one ever remembers. And then there's William Butler Yeats, and then nothing until Paul Stanley. And these are the poets in our lives. And so, kids, read some poetry. Turn that record over, like the kids have records. That's a tragedy, huh? What's that? Well, when records went away, and then CDs and cassettes went away, and CDs went away, until eventually music that you would hold in your hands went away, and now you just have to punch it in on a computer. I bet you nobody reads lyrics anymore. Well, maybe some of those, what's it called? YouTube. Yeah. Maybe some of the YouTube videos have, like closed caption, or you can have the lyrics that way. Oh yeah, you can still look up the lyrics, I suppose. When I was a kid, part of the joy of getting a new record, back in the days of the grandfathers, you'd have to wait months, years for your favorite band to come out with an album. And in my world, you had to drive to the big town, Bemidji-Gumug, in big town of Bemidji, Minnesota. There was no towns within 25 miles of our town that sold records. I'm from a small town. So we load up in a used car, drive to a record store, an actual store that only sold records and posters, and had a head shop in the back where you could buy a pipe, some blacklight posters, and there'd be some hippie guy there who knew everything about music. And he'd come in and he goes, "Excuse me, sir, is the new Kiss album out?" And he'd roll his eyes at you because he thought he knew more about music than you. And he goes, "Yeah, it's back there." And you go buy this great big record. It'd be like I don't know, I suppose only like 1 square foot wide and tall, whatever. But you get this great big record with a beautiful artwork on it, or a cool photo of your favorite band. And you could flip it over and you could read all the stuff. Like they dedicate their album to their friends and their mom and whoever. And you'd see they'd have a list of the people who worked on the album. And if it was a double album, you could fold it open. There'd be more pictures. But then, most of the time, either on the sleeve where the record was in, or actually on the cover, they'd write all the lyrics to the songs. So you go down in your room, and you'd put it on your record player, and you'd sit back on the floor, lean against the bed, Maybe put on your headphones, maybe just crank it. It's up to you. But then you'd read along the lyrics to the songs you like. And I think that's probably why I ended up majoring in poetry. Yeah, why? Because of bands like Pink Floyd and David Bowie and stuff. Their lyrics were always so cool that I would learn stuff. And I'd have to kind of analyze the lyrics. Oh, what does that mean? What's he talking about? We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. What does he mean by thought control? What does that have to do with education? And you'd talk to your buddies and you'd be quoting lyrics, you know. But now, at least me, I don't buy music anymore. And so I never get that experience of reading the lyrics while the music's playing at the same time and learning something. In fact, I hope there's no kids watching. I remember the day I learned what a phallus was. Never heard the word, never read it, had no idea. Phallus, Phallis. And but there was a David Bowie song where he's singing, I'm a phallus in pigtails, and there's blood on my nose, and my tissue is rotting where the rats chew my bones. I'm like, oh wow, he's a phallus in pigtails. That's a weird imagery. I wonder what a phallus is. Had to get the dictionary to look it up, and I'm like, ugh, gross, man. Why are you calling yourself that? But I learned what that word was. Satori. If there's any really old weirdos who remember the Space Oddity album, there was a song there where he was singing about, I think it was Memory of a Free Child, or Memory, how's that go? I think it was something like Memory of a Free Cloud. No, we're thinking of two different things. Oh yeah, there's Memory of a Free Festival, and then there was the Wild-Eyed Boy from Free Cloud. Yeah, the Wild-Eyed Boy from Free Cloud. And the woman once proud clutched the heart of the crowd as a boulder smashed down from the mountain's hand. But anyway, there was a line in that song where he goes, Satori must be something just the same. And so, I'm 12 years old going, oh, Satori. Yeah, it was from Free Festival. We scanned the skies with rainbow eyes and saw machines of every shape and size. We talked with tall illusions passing through. But I went, what is Satori? So I looked it up. Turns out it's like a Buddhist thing. Buddhists don't believe in heaven, but it's basically a Buddhist heaven, or a state of being where you are, one, where you are God or something, I don't know. But, my vocabulary got bigger by listening to David Bowie. It probably got smaller by listening to Kiss, so it evened out. Yeah, no kidding. And, yeah. Weesani says, center of Diamond State Park in Arkansas. Oh, Diamond State Park. Yeah. In fact, we have a place here called Diamond Point. So maybe it's also the shape. But that's cool. Crater of Diamond State Park in Arkansas. There's a crater? What's a crater? I don't know. I would have said a crater was where an asteroid had hit the Earth, but I don't believe in asteroids anymore. Yeah. Yeah, they've been trying to scare us lately with that. Oh, NASA came out and says another asteroid's going to just miss Earth. Oh, really? Did your telescope show you that? Anyway, Makade Ganu is Black Diamond. And, sweetie, you want to come up here and talk to the BOOZHOO crew? Yeah, you going to play Black Diamond for him? I sure am. This is a song, Michael Lyons. Hey, Michael, say hello to these guys. Hello, you guys. Michael Lyons, people. Michael Lyons is a cartoonist. Hey, we didn't do a gibberish cartoon. Hold on, before we get to the song. This is a cartoon that Michael drew. Michael Lyons is a cartoonist, and he's got a bunch of books that teach Ojibwe mowing. And this is basically just it's a caterpillar, Amwa bigwesi, and the caterpillar goes to sleep, and then a mamengwa is born. Mamengwa. And I think this is a very beautiful cartoon, or comic book page or whatever. But sadly now, because it's Pride Month, I kind of feel like it looks like that. It kind of looks like the caterpillar just turned gay. Yeah. But anyway, that's that's kind of hard to see, but that's a mamengua, a butterfly. Why do they call them butterflies? Well, butterflies because it tastes like butter. Really? No, I've never eaten a butterfly. I don't know why they call it a butterfly. Because it flies around. They should call it a flutterfly. I wonder if it used to be called a flutterfly because they flutter around. But let me make this a little bigger. And then totally stand in front of it. There it is. That's a butterfly. That's the big transformation. I'm Big Wacy. Whatever. So, yeah, Michael does these gibberish cartoons, and he's got a collection of gibberish cartoons for sale at Amazon.com, in addition to a number of other books and coloring books and comic books. But his music is not for sale. He can't give it away. Or he does give it away, I guess. But this is a song that Michael and Natasha recorded, and we're probably going to get demonetized, but I don't care. This is Kiss's Black Diamond. And I will see you again. Sweetie, can you teleport me away? Sure. Gigawaba Min. Minowa. Hoa.
Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Ooh, got you under their thumb.
Hit it!
Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Ba bada 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 bum bada bum. Bada bum, bada ba ba bum. Ba bada bada bada. Out on the street for a living, bitches only begun. Her day is sown in madness, got you under their thumb. Ooh, black diamond. Darkness will fall on the city, seems to follow you too. And though you don't ask for pity, there's nothing that you can do. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond. Bum, bada bum. Bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Pictures only begun. Bada 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 bum. Bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Got you under there. Bada 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 bum. Black diamond.
Black Diamond by Kiss.
That was
And on
great.
the guitar, Michael Lyons. Now please welcome me again. Bonjour, everybody. Black Diamond. Michael, you did a really nice job. I like how you sang the bass line.
Yeah. Well, you got to do what you can.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. And, yeah. Bum, bada, bum, bada, bum. How you guys doing? Are you doing well on this Monday morning? On this day after prayer day? Ishwa anama ekishakad. It's the day after prayer day. Does that mean we don't have to pray today?
No, you can still pray if you want.
Should I go out and pray?
Yeah, sure. You want me to teleport you outside and you can go pray?
Sure. Anima A means prayer. Anima A is pray. I get those confused. But, yeah, tell you what. Let me get rid of this. Would you mind teleporting me outside to the woods? And I'm going to put a little tobacco. Little kids, if you're new to the show, Osema means tobacco. And in our way, we sometimes give a little tobacco offering to Kichimanadu when we pray. So I'm going to put out some tobacco outside.
All right, sweetie. Let me get the coordinates here. Okay, I'm all set.
All right. One to beam out to the woods. Agua Ching, one to beam outside.
Beaming outside.
Sweetie, can you hear me?
Oh, I hear you loud and clear, sweetheart.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Why do I keep saying that? I'm going to say just a little prayer to the Great Spirit. I got a little bit of tobacco here. And here's something you can do. Sometimes when we pray, we'll offer tobacco not just to Kichimanadu, but we'll also offer it to the 4 directions. We'll say, accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the east, the south, the west, and up in the north. And then we'll offer it to Mother Earth. You know, she's mama to us all. We're all Earth's little babies. But then I'll give it to the Great Spirit. So I don't have the text, of course, but because I'm just out in the wild. But if you want to offer some tobacco, you'll say, Otapanaman, Otapanaman, accept. You can say, Daka Otapanaman. Please accept. And then, Niwi Asema, my tobacco. Otapanaman, Niwi Asema. Please accept my tobacco. And then I'm going to say spirits. And some of you probably remember that spirit, like Great Spirit, Kichimanadu. Well, if you want to just say spirits, you know, plural, you say Manadoog. Manadoog. Add a G. So I'm going to say, accept my tobacco, spirits over there. Oh, and then there, like if it's a little ways away, you'd say, Awede. Awede. And then I'll do the 4 directions. So we start in the east, because that's where the sun comes from. And we say, Otapanaman niwi asema, accept my tobacco. Manadugawede, spirits over there. Wabanung, in the east. Otapanaman niwi asema, manadugawede, wabanung. And then I'll go back here, and I'll say, Otapanaman niwi asema, manadugawede, Jawanung. Jawanung, south. Wabanung, Jawanung. And then I'll say, Otapanaman niwi asema, manadugawede, accept my tobacco, spirits over there, manadugawede, Ningabianang, Ningabianang, to the west. And then we go up to the north, And we'll say, O Dabanaman Niwi Asema, Manaduga Wade, Giwaden, or Giwaden Anung. For some reason, I hear people call North Giwaden more often than Giwaden Anung. But either way. And then I'm going to look down on our mother, Mama Aki, our Mother Earth. I'm going to say, O Dabanaman Niwi Asema, Mama Aki, accept my tobacco, Mother Earth. And then I'm going to gesture up to the Great Spirit. I'm going to say, O Dabanaman Niwi Asema, Gitchimanadu, Gitchimanadu, Great Spirit. And I'm going to, some of your elders are going to put that in a pipe. They're going to put it in a pipe and smoke it and pray. But if you're a kid and you don't want to smoke, which is smart, just put it in a bush. Put it in a tree or something. Just put it somewhere where no one's going to walk on it. And where the res dogs probably won't pee on it. And that's how you can start your prayer. You say, accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. I just want to pray. And so now that I gave him some tobacco, I'm going to say, Gitchi Manadu.
Yeah, what you want?
No, I'm praying.
Oh, that's right. Did you give me some tobacco?
Yeah, put it over here in the bush.
Oh, that's just perfect, my daughter.
Do you like tobacco?
Well, I love to get gifts from me children.
Oh, really?
Oh, of course. Every father loves to get gifts from their children. You know, if you want to make your father in heaven happy, draw me a picture, sing me a song, give me a pinch of tobacco. That's all your father needs.
Okay. You guys hear that? You wanna give something to the Gitchimanadu? You know, paint him a picture, draw him something, sing a song. Say, this one's for the great father, you know, this one's for the Great Spirit, the Creator, whatever. But I'm just gonna talk to him. Should I just talk to you this way?
Oh, you can if you want, or you can pray.
I think I'll just pray.
All right. I'll stop interrupting you then.
Okay. Okay. Well, my voice. So, Gitchimanadu, Miigwech, Kaiji Bamadiziyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech, Kaiji Kakinankeku. Thank you for everything. Let's see. What do I want to pray for? I don't know. Thank you for everything. It's been a beautiful day. And I've got too many blessings to shake a stick at. So, miigwech. Thank you. Ape Inge. Now, Ape Inge is like the Ojibwe word for amen. And I kind of like to say amen just because, I don't know, my grandma was a real church lady. And so I like to carry the tradition of Christianity along. But amen basically just kind of means that's enough. So you can also say Ape Inge. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. I've prayed enough. Miigwech. Doesn't matter. Oh, and by the way, I know the BOOZHOO crew knows this, but if you're a little kid, maybe you don't know this yet. You don't have to pray in Ojibwe. It's kind of cool just for you to speak Ojibwe, so definitely learn some phrases. Because it'll make you feel real spiritual, you know, be out in the woods speaking. You know, sometimes I'll see a squirrel, see a little red squirrel, I'll say, oh, BOOZHOO Jitamu, Ambeoma. And I just said, hello, red squirrel, come here. And they never listen, but I don't know. An elder told me once that all dogs speak Ojibwe. And so they go, if you're ever afraid of a dog, just start speaking Ojibwe and they'll know you're a friend. And so I was on the res, and one of these stray, terrifying dogs of mixed breed. Not that there's anything wrong with being a mixed breed, but these things were mixed with, like, you know, wolves or
bears. You know, oh, he's part shepherd, part bear. And so this strange dog comes up, and I'm scared. And so I just say, oh, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Hello, dog. Natasha Nandisha Nakaz. You know, how are you? And this dog, he just kind of sat down and went, he just cocked his head like, I didn't know you knew Ojibwe. And sure enough, he was a really nice dog. And I think it's because I was speaking Ojibwe to him. But anyway. So, I don't know, anything more I should add and get you on to do?
Oh, no, that was lovely, my daughter.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go back inside, okay?
All right, dear.
Okay. NANABOOZHOO,
Yeah, sweetie, what do you need?
can you teleport me back to the studio?
Yeah, you got it. Okay, hold on, don't move.
Okay, I'm going back. One to beam home. And now I'm back.
Hi, how is it outside?
It's gorgeous now, but you can tell it's going to be hot later.
Yeah, what was it yesterday?
94. We were just miserable last night. 94. I felt like I was just sitting in an oven. Go outside, cool off, come back inside. And it was so hot in here, I had a vision. I was like, whoa, what is that, an eagle? It's like a sweat lodge in here. Started praying just hard. Anywho, la la la. So what did we learn today, children?
You think they learned something?
I don't know. I think some people learn never to watch a show again. But today we learned that Abinujans is a baby, and babies are precious. And Ondadizike. How do you say that? Ondadizike. Ondadizike is to give birth. Ondadizike. And then, of course, Makare Ganu, not Guano, Makare Ganu is Black Diamond. And Ojibwe is Kiss. And you have been watching. Should I sign out?
Yeah, you might as well.
All right. Well, everybody, I want to say thank you so much for showing up today. Oh, it just warms my little heart. But, miigwech bizandawieg, thank you for listening. And miigwech ganawabieg, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
This is Michael Lyons.
Hello!
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa. One to teleport away, sweetie.
Teleporting away, baby.